It's Vicky, and yes, I'm all natural today. I'm just natural like this for two reasons. It's just a Saturday afternoon, and this is my lounging around attire, and that's one reason. And the second reason is because I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Play by Sephora. It's their monthly subscription, and I don't know what's in here, so I'm just, have a bare face, bare arms, whatever, just in case I want to put one of the products on to see what it does or doesn't do. Now, when I signed up for this prescription, I was aware of the BoxyCharm subscription, but it's like $21 a month, I think, and that's kind of out of my budget for me being retired and not knowing if I'm going to be using all those products every month. And so I decided to try the Sephora box, which is only $10 a month, but I read that the difference is with the Sephora you only get sample sizes, whereas with the BoxyCharm you get full size products. So I don't know how long I'm going to be keeping this subscription, but this is my first month, and so you all get to see with me what I have. So it comes with this, which is Beauty Insider Points. You can pull this little card off and use it online or in the store. And this is the little package that the samples come in. And on the back it has this little cute saying. It says player, which is a beauty connoisseur with a keen sense of adventure. I like that, beauty connoisseur. That might be the name that I use for us guys, because my sister told me I need to come up with a name for my subscriber family, and that's a good name. Thanks, Sephora. Beauty connoisseurs. That's what we're going to be, and that's how we're going to refer to ourselves. And that beauty is not only for the outside, but especially for the inside. So the first product, let me see what they got in here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. And this first one is Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water. So let's see, what do you do with it? I guess you cleanse your face with it. It has matcha green tea extract. It's safe for face and eyes. It smells really refreshing. It says no rinse, so I guess you just put it on and let it stay. See, that's another reason why I didn't want to get these boxes, because they have all these fancy products and stuff. I don't even know what to do with them. The next one is Makeup Forever Skin Equalizer, and it says step 1. Step 1 is a range of complexion bases designed to refine and smooth the skin while evening out the complexion before applying makeup. Oh, okay, so this is like a makeup primer. And here's this little tube. And I always have to smell stuff. Well, what I will do is I will try this tomorrow, since it's Easter Sunday and I'll be wearing makeup for church, and I'll try that and see how I like it. The next thing is a Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. It's ophthalmologist tested and allergy tested, 100% fragrance free. I guess this is what you use around your eyes for when you get up in the morning and you have that puffiness and you want to try to have that awakened, fresh look. So I'm not going to even put that on right now. The next thing is, oh, mascara. I love mascara. This is Miss Perversion Volumizing Mascara. And it says bigger, blacker, badder. Oh, it's Urban Decay. I couldn't even see that till I took it out of the box. Because it doesn't say that anywhere on this box. I need a mirror. Y'all hold on. Okay, I got my mirror. This is how the wand looks. And let's see how this. I am not impressed. It doesn't seem to have a lot of product on the brush, and it's not even really making an impact. So, do I have one more thing? Yes. This is Christophe Robin Cleansing Volumizing Paste with pure Resol clay and rose extracts. And it comes in this little sample package. Directions: apply a small amount on wet hair and work through in sections. Gently massage into the scalp, focusing on the roots. Add water, massage to emulsify, then rinse. So I guess this is something that's supposed to make your hair thicker, which I'm gonna have to give this to somebody because y'all know I suffer from alopecia and I'm not trying any kind of products that promise to grow your hair or thicken your hair or anything like that, because it's a waste of money for me. Nothing I've tried has ever worked. Sorry, beauty connoisseurs, but I missed one product, and this is the Sugar Dream Sheer Pink Lip Treatment Advanced Therapy. So let's see what this does or is for. It's proven to significantly boost moisture for 24 hours, enhance volume, and improve the definition of the lip area while leaving a dreamy sheer pink tint. Directions: apply the age-defying treatment throughout the day as needed. I already have a lip tint on my lips, so let me see if I can wipe some of it off. Hold on, let me get a tissue. Sorry guys, this is what they call live TV. Okay. It's very smooth. And it has a little sugary smell to it. Not like this. But I don't know if I would run out and spend money on getting a tube of this, but it's nice to have, you know, in your purse. It's better than chapstick. It's not real thick like chapstick. So that's the end of this Sephora unboxing, and if you want to know my first impression, I'm not. So I might give it one more month and I might be canceling my subscription. The only thing good about it is it gave us a a name, Beauty Connoisseurs. So you beauty connoisseurs, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. Bye.